My name is Tom Wine, and I'm a retired judge. Served on the Kentucky Court of Appeals for 5 years and the Jefferson Circuit Court bench for 15 years. And previous to that, I was in private practice, and prior to that, I served as a prosecutor for 10 years between both the Commonwealth Attorney's Office here locally as well as the Kentucky Attorney General's Office. I think those are qualities and qualifications in my personal and professional life that make me a good candidate for Commonwealth Attorney to serve in that chief role. I know you had some questions about the Trayvon Martin case and the what we call the castle doctrine or stand your ground. And I've had the chance to be in a forum before, as was Judge Ryan, who is also on this video. And I think we're both in agreement that even that particular statute was not appropriately applied. We think of those statutes dealing with situations where someone is trying to break into your home or break into your car. That was not the situation here with Mr. Zimmerman, who was following Trayvon Martin and who may well have precipitated the fight. Those type of cases have always gone to juries before. There have been an indictment, and then subsequently a regular jury hears the case and they decide whether or not that individual is entitled to act in self-protection. That's what should have happened down in Florida. I'm glad to see that Mr. Zimmerman was indicted. That'll give us that opportunity now for a jury to hear all the evidence and to make a decision. Tom Wine, a retired judge, but I'm running now for Commonwealth Attorney. I would sure appreciate your vote, and I've worked hard over the last 32 years as a judge, prosecutor, and private defense counsel to earn the respect of the people here in Jefferson County. Thank you very much.
Steve Ryan, candidate for Commonwealth Attorney. Do you wish to talk about the Trayvon Martin issue?
Yes, sir.
Well, I think justice is finally going to be done in the case. The person's been indicted, and hopefully a jury will decide whether or not he's guilty of any crime.
Yes, sir. So what is your stance on the castle laws in the state of Kentucky, or the stand your ground laws throughout the United States and stuff?
Well, Kentucky has the same law as Florida, of course, and but stand your ground is, I think it was overused in this case in that they didn't charge him at first. Should have, just like anyone else, he should have been charged, and he has been charged now, and they should let the jury decide. I don't think there's stand your ground applies in this case. Well, I have the experience. I was a military police officer, probation and parole officer, worked for the Commonwealth Attorney's Office for a while. I went into private practice, so I have the defense experience, and I was a judge for 23 years, both district and circuit court judge. I think that's prepared me well for this position. I have ideas to improve the office. As far as staff, they have a very good staff now. I plan to keep virtually all of the staff that they have now. I'm Judge Steve Ryan, running for Commonwealth Attorney.